You have mentioned in many past readings of the coming drastic earth changes such as the pole shift, food shortages, drastic weather changes, coastline changes, etc. Can you please describe how Korea, and specifically how South Korea, would be affected by these coming earth changes in the next 50 years? Give details specifically for the Seoul City area, the Daegonggyeongsan area, and the Busan area.
As the oceans would rise, the coastline would subside here. We find that the low-lying areas will be flooded, but here to the Seoul and Jikong and other areas, there would be some higher altitudes attained, the more above sea level, the better, so to speak. If you take the isthmus itself and you were to erase a good inch all the way around the map, assuming there would be about 5 inches wide on the map, the landmass, you then have sort of a finger sticking out here, and this is what the Koreas may look like. When you see that of the Mediterranean rise, then you would be warned that the oceans are beginning to rise as well. But here expect shifts, and here when you see the quakes in Japan, especially, it will cause some difficulty in the northern end of Japan. And then there would be a warning that the areas of Korea would be in jeopardy. South Korea may become an island, and North Korea may become a whole lot less, but looking more like a small finger sticking out from China itself, you'll say. It does appear that it would be through the middle of the country, especially near that of Wangyang. It appeared to be in the north, some submergence of land here. However, the backbone, the ridge of mountains or highlands here, seem to subside, seem to sustain the country itself. Slowly, however, the south, as to Korea, may become an island unto its own, you'll say. Direction.
What will be the approximate new latitude of South Korea after the coming pole shift? What will the weather be like in South Korea? Please use examples of current day geographic areas.
Take the North Pole and put it in the Bering Strait or Bering Sea, and then you would see that the Koreas would tilt and would be closer . We have this at about presently between 35 and 40 degrees latitude. It would be about the 20 or 15 degree latitude, you'll say. Brief time yet. Direction.
What areas of South Korea would be the safest place to reside during these upcoming earth changes?
As we have given the middle of the same. Direction.
How many and what percentage of Koreans are to die due to the earth changes in the next 50 years?
Well, those along the sea coast, if they are not otherwise transported inland or to China or to Japan, this would be somewhere in the neighborhood of 20 to 30%. Could be a little higher.